Hello students, it's great to see you again in my class academic presentation. So today we will discuss preparation for presentation 1, library research on science and technology issues. I would like to remind you students that for this semester you will conduct 3 presentations and will be your first presentation. Okay, let's talk about the learning of objectives. Number 1, to understand the concept of library research. Number 2, to be able to prepare library research. And number 3, to be able to present library research. Next, let us try to understand what does it mean by library research. What do you think? I'm sure you've been very familiar with the word library research. Library research is basically a process of gathering information or materials from books, from journal articles, from government documents, and popular magazine for the purpose of to write a paper. So all of these types of sources can be found in libraries or any available official websites. Now, you need to know how to prepare a library research. Principally, there are 5 steps to prepare library research. You have to keep this in your mind. Number 1, identify. Number 2, find. Number 3, evaluate. Number 4, apply. And number 5, acknowledge. Now, let's take a look at it one by one. So, in order to prepare library research, you have to do some steps. Number 1, you need to understand the assignment and you have to select the topic. In our case, you need to select the topic which is related to science and technology issues in relation to Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs. Number 2, find background of information related to the issues. Read magazine, you can read books as well. Number 3, use databases available to find source article, the journal article. You can search in the internet, you can look at the websites available. Number 4, you need to evaluate what you find. You need to check. Look at the title, whether it is related to the assignment. Look at the title, whether it is related to the topics that your lecturer asks you to do, to find. Check whether the journal is Journal of Science and Technology and contain issues which is related to SDGs. After that, number 5, you need to read the journal articles. You look at the abstract, introduction, you look at the concept, you look at the theory in the article. You need to check the method, the data collection, the findings, the discussion, as well as the conclusion in order to understand the content or the holistic issue or what is actually being discussed in the article. Next, after reading the journal article, you need to cite what you read, paraphrase, summarize, synthesize important issues in the journal. Remember, you also need to avoid plagiarism. You may also add some more information from other sources if necessary. The next thing that you have to do after preparing your library research is preparing your presentation. Later, when you present your library research, you need to do these 6 steps. Number 1, mention the title of the article and the author. Explain the issues and why they are important. Number 3, inform the concept or the theories used in the study or in the paper. Number 4, elaborate the methodology used in the study. Number 5, present the findings and discuss them. And the last one, number 6, conclude the findings. Now, after understanding the concept of library research and now how to prepare library research and the presentation, I want you to practice. Practice preparing a library research. You have to do 3 steps. Number 1, choose a science and technology journal article related to sustainable development goals. Find the article. 6 until 10 pages will be enough. After that, write the main points of your library research in a presentation slide or in some presentation slides. After that, you have to submit your works, the slide, to Teknokrat SPADA system next meeting. I hope you are clear about what to do. Okay, what's next? Next meeting, we will prepare your library research presentation. I want you to practice to present your library research. We may conduct it in the class or through video recordings that you make at home. Remember, students, don't forget to prepare to practice your presentation. That's all our meeting for today. Bye-bye.